Ready? Oh, hey, what's up, party people? We got a 2010 Chevy Tahoe right here, and take a look at it. Real cute, real cute. I like it. Anyway, we got these big aftermarket rims, and what we're going to be doing today is replacing this wheel hub and also machining the rotors. The reason why we're replacing this wheel hub, you come a little bit closer. This is how you check this up. Grab it at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You want to go back and forth, and come in a little bit closer. Come a little bit closer. See if you can hear it. But it's got a little movement back and forth like this. So wheel hub's going bad. So what we're gonna do is we got our new replacement part right here. This came from CarQuest right here. This is the wheel hub, and this is the vehicle speed sensor that comes along with it. And this is what we're gonna be installing today. So first thing you want to do is take the rim off, which I've already done. Just put two back in just to show you how to have a little play. All I like to do is take them, turn them right here, so you see kind of what you're working with, and come on in for a little bit. Alright, first thing you're gonna do is take off take your brake assembly apart. So what you're gonna do is take off these caliper bolts. You got a 19mm right here and a 19 right here. You can see that right there. So go ahead and do that for you right now. Alright, that's one. That's two. Alright. Next thing you're gonna do is, what I like to do is I hang them up. So just set my little caliper bolts over here to the side. I just take like a little bungee cord and just look for somewhere to hang it up. Usually on these little coil springs there's a half decent place, and I'm gonna hang it up back this way a little bit. So this just slides off, and I'm just gonna put it in through these caliper bolt holes, just so that the brake line doesn't have any stress on it. Next thing you gotta do is take out these two bolts right here. And what size are they? 19, like an 18. Okay, and that's what's gonna hold your caliper bracket in there. So go ahead and bust them loose. And see right there. Alright. There you go. Use your brake pads, so you got plenty of pad. What we're gonna do is lubricate these right here. Probably do a brake service on this, and I'm gonna show you some little tricks of the trade and how to prevent brake squeal. Alright, next thing you gotta do is take this off. You got a little torque bolt in there. So, by the way, these were 19mm, these are 18, and this is a T27 Torx bit, a little star hex bit. And I'm just going to put that on a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. luckily it broke loose. Otherwise, I usually take like a hammer and try to knock it loose right here. If this doesn't come loose, just hit it with a hammer right here. Alright. Damn, get the rotor off. Alright. So for the wheel hub assembly, which is this piece right here, probably a good thing to do would be to go ahead and start disconnecting this speed sensor right here. And you see on the new one, that's why I got that bungee cord there. Okay, let's see. On the new one, it comes with all of the mounting accessories. So basically, I'm just gonna yank them out of there. So I'm just going to take like this little prop tool and just come in here, start disconnecting of our there's a connection right here and there's one right here. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. On this one right here, you're probably going to have to squeeze it with a pair of pliers right back here. Got another one here. And this is your speed sensor right here where it connects. And to release this, you're just going to press down this tab, pull it out. Now, slide all of this over here now. And give a little room back here. Now you got 3 bolts in the back of this wheel hub holding it in. They look like 15 millimeters maybe. Yep. So a lot of times they're on here really tight, and you got close, tight spots. So I usually like to get a swivel impact socket, put it on there. Alright, so we've got one right here, 2 right there, and number 3. Hold the wheel hub in there. Set these all to the side. Alright, next thing. Alright, here's the fun part. Getting it out. Oh, this is gonna come out easy. A lot of times you gotta put the rotor back on, and I'll just put like 1 or 2 bolts on the rotor, and then I'll hit the rotor from this side to knock it loose. But it looks like it's going to come out pretty easy. So next thing I got to do is just get that out of there. All you got to do is squeeze this down with some pliers. And you should be able to get it up out of there. If you can't, you can just cut it off. There it is. And all it is I squeeze this right here with some needle nose pliers. That's how you get that out of there. Alright. Don't forget to keep your shield. So there it is right there. There's the wheel hub. This goes on there like that. So don't forget to put that on with the new one. Alright, next thing I'll do is come over here to the counter, and we're going to examine our old one and our new one. Make sure everything kind of matches up. That, and that. Got two connectors. Looks like it should line up. Alright. We'll take our new one back over here. Get the shield. There's 15mm bolts going here. I'm just gonna hand tighten first. Before I start cranking stuff down, I'm gonna, you know, before I start installing it, making it final, I'm gonna go ahead and route my speed sensor, make sure that it's gonna fit in there, everything's gonna work. That way, you know, you don't get everything in, and then start making these connections and find out something doesn't fit, something doesn't connect. All right, so that works. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, boom. Let's go ahead and slap it back together. So, we're going to tighten up the three 15mm bolts in the back. Let's take a look at the back here. Bang. One, two, make sure she's tight. Alright, got that in there. Let's see what we have to do next. Next thing, I would do is go ahead and slap this, slap the caliper bracket on and on all of that. But I'm gonna machine these calipers and show you a little brake service. So we'll take a little break and we'll go on over here. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to the brakes and show you how to machine rotors also. Alright, I'm gonna pause it here. Alright, hey, thanks for watching the video. If you got questions or concerns, any kind of automotive difficulties, problems, feel free to hit me up, send me a message. Look out. I love you.